everyone. Today we are going to see practical on bill discounting. So today we will solve 1 mark problem. So exercise problems I will solve. You people go to the example problems. Okay. Now first one. A bill was drawn on 14/3/2013 for 3 months. When does the bill fall legal due date? So they are asking for legal due date. I have given this slide how to calculate legal due date. Okay. So refer that one. So the problem number 1, to find out legal due date, that is date of drawings plus bill period plus grace period. Now bill of drawings is 14/3/2013 and bill period is 3 months. Grace days is 3. So when you add, you will get 17/6/2013. This is your legal due date. So this may be asked for 1 month. Now the second problem. A bill drawn for 3 months was legally due on 18/8/2012. Find the date of drawing of the bill. So first problem, they were given date of drawings. They asked us to find out legal due date. Now they have given us legal due date and we have just to find out date of drawing. So second problem. Legal due date is 18/8/2012 minus bill period, that is 3 months, minus grace period, that is 3 days. So we'll get 15/5/2012 as date of drawings. So when they ask this legal due date, we will add first bill period and grace period. Then they are asking date of drawing, we will subtract bill period and grace period. So first and second problem with the differences. Now moving on to the third problem. Find the present value of ₹750 due 4 months since at 15% per annum. So they have asked us to find out present value, that is P is equals to F divided by 1 plus T into R. This is the formula. So F is equals to 750, T time is 4 months, R rate of interest is 15%. So we are going to substitute this data with the formula. 750 divided by 1 plus time is 4 months. We will calculate for 1 year. So 4 divided by 12 into 15 divided by 100. We will get here 750 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3 into 0.15. Use a calculators for calculations. We'll get 750 1 plus 0.05, that is 750 1.05. Your present value is 714.285. Take 2 decimal points, round it off, you will get 714.29. That is your present value. Now moving on to a fourth problem. Find the banker's discount on a bill of rupees 415 due 9 months since at 15%. So here they have asked us to find out banker's discount. What are the informations they are given us? Fair value they are given, time they are given, rate they are given. So banker's discount is nothing but your BD is equals to F into T into R. This is the formula. So F is here 415, time is 9 months, R is 15%. So substituting here 415 into 9 by 12 into 15 by 100. You will get here 415 0.75 into 0.15. So 415 into 0.75 into 0.15. We will get 46.687. Round it off. TD is equals to 46.69. Next, fifth is defined banker's gain. It is on this slide. The answer. Then defined banker's discount. Same. It is in this slide. Now your seventh. Students, 7th, 8th, 9th problem I will do it in the next class. Thank you for the day.